Which creature is Africa's most effective predator? A mighty lion, perhaps? Or a swift cheetah? Actually, neither would be the correct answer. According to wildlife experts, lions succeed in fewer than 30% of their hunts, and cheetahs, the fastest land mammals, only manage about a 20% success rate. The star of this video boasts an impressive hunting success rate of up to 90%, and it can take down prey weighing over 300 kilograms. This makes it one of the most efficient and fearsome hunters of the African plains. Meet the African wild dog. The sun-scorched savannas of Africa are the primary habitat for African wild dogs. They are quintessential members of the dog family, closely related to wolves and jackals. African wild dogs weigh between 18 and 36 kilograms and measure 75 to 110 centimeters in length, making them fairly large for wild canines. They almost exclusively live and hunt in packs, and encountering a lone wild dog in the wild is extremely rare. A typical pack can consist of up to 30 individuals, including an alpha male, an alpha female, and their offspring. Only the alpha pair has the right to reproduce, while the rest of the family members either care for the pups or may choose to leave the pack to join a different one. Most females, and about half the males, leave their birth pack. This results in packs generally having more males than females. Each member has its own rank, yet they all coexist peacefully. Fights or serious disputes are extremely rare, even over food. In fact, African wild dogs have a unique way of sharing food with injured or ill pack members. Finding food isn't a big challenge for a pack of African wild dogs. They are daytime hunters with excellent vision and keen hearing. While they have a strong sense of smell, their sight and hearing are more crucial for hunting on the vast African plains. Each wild dog consumes around 2 kilograms of food daily, though they can gorge up to 8 kilograms in a single sitting. Unlike hyenas or jackals, wild dogs rarely scavenge. They prefer fresh kills or occasionally steal prey from other predators such as leopards. Their preferred prey includes medium to large herbivores like antelope and zebras. These dogs are exceptionally fast runners with impressive endurance. They can reach speeds over 60 kilometers per hour and maintain it over several kilometers, something even cheetahs can't match. Their hunting strategy involves exhausting prey through prolonged chases, like a relay race in the animal kingdom. When one dog tires, another takes its place in the chase until the prey is completely exhausted. The pack then attacks from various directions until the prey is subdued, after which they share the spoils. This relentless chase is essential as wild dogs lack the strong bite to deliver a quick kill, so exhausting the prey is the best approach. With this effective hunting method, they can even take down adult zebras or smaller buffaloes. An adult Cape buffalo, weighing over a ton, can fend off lions. However, young buffalo calves are prime targets for wild dogs who can approach a herd without fear of being trampled. Once separated from the herd, the fate of a young calf is nearly sealed. Another large herbivore that often falls prey to wild dogs is the wildebeest, with some adults weighing up to 300 kilograms. Wild dogs create chaos among wildebeest herds, then target the weakest individual, wearing it out with a long chase before launching an attack. Even well-equipped animals like warthogs, which can weigh up to 100 kilograms, are not safe from the dogs, though sometimes the pack will switch to easier prey if faced with a tough target. How do you think this unusual alliance might have ended? Share your thoughts in the comments below.